dear students, welcome to Gurudaga online classes. Dear student, in previous class, I had solved exercise 8.3 first main. Now I am going to solve here exercise 8.3 second question. Let us see second one question here. Kamala borrowed 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Dear student, here we have to find out here what amount, how much amount she has to pay after 2 years 4 months. That one we have to find out here. Let us see solution here. Here given here principal, that is the 26,400 rupees, and percent, that is 15% per annum compounded yearly, and n 2 years 4 months. Dear student, here first I am finding here amount. What is the amount? Dear student, here first I am finding here for 2 years. After that I will find here 4 months. Simple interest I am finding here. For this, for 2 years I am finding here amount, and 4 months I will find simple interest. After that I will add these two. Let us see here. A is equal P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n is equal to P, that is the 26,400 in the bracket 1 plus R, that is given here 15% by 100 2 years. Now I am taking here 2 years. Now 26,400 1 plus here 15, 5 3s are 50, 5 20s are remaining 3 by 20 whole to the power of n is equal 26,400. 20 into 1 is 20 plus 3, 23 by 20 whole square. 26,400, you have to multiply here 2 times. 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Again 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 6s are 12, remaining 12, 2 6 again. Now we have to multiply here 66 into 23 into 23. Now I am multiplying here 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. When we adding, we are getting here 9, 12, 529. Again you multiply with the 66. 9 6 are 54, 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17, 6 5s are 30, 31. Again 9 6 are 54, 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17, 5 6 are 30, 31. 4 11 9 4 3. We got here 34,914. This is the amount. Okay, next we have to find out here. Next we have to find out here principal for 4 months. Okay, let us see here principal for 4 months, that is for 4 by 12 years. For per year we have total 12 months. Out of 12 I am taking here 4 months. Okay, now let us see here simple interest is equal to PTR by 100 is equal to P, that is the given here 34,914 into time, that is the 4 by 100 into R, that is the how much percent here? 15%. into 100. Okay. Now we have to cancel here. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are. Again 3 ones are 3 fives are. Again you cancel here. 5 ones are 5 20s are. Remaining 34,914 by 20. Now you divide here by 20. 34,914. Okay. 21s are 20. Remaining 1 4. Again you take 9. 27s are 140. Remaining 9 1. 24s are 80. Remaining here 1. Here also 1. Again you take here 4. 25s are 100. Remaining 14. You take point 140. 27s are 140. Completely cancel. We got here 1,745 7. This is the simple interest for 4 months. Now we have to find out here amount after 2 and 4 months. Amount after 2 years and 4 months. Total amount we have to add here. That is the amount, that is the 34,914 plus this one we have to add here 1745.7. When we adding, we are getting here 36,659.70. Okay, now we write here, hence Kamala has to be pay amount is 36,659.70 rupees. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear student, let us see another one time here. In this question given here, principal is 26,400 and rate, that is the 15% per annum compounded yearly, and n 2 years and 4 months given. We have to find out here first 2 years amount. Now A is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 over to the power of n. P, that is given here 26,400, the bracket 1 plus R, that is the 15% given here, by 100 over to the power of 2 year. I am finding here 2 years, so I am taking here 2. Now 26,400 in the bracket 1 plus, when you cancelling here 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 10. No, 3 by 20, 20 into 1, 20 plus 3, 23 by 2 over to the power of 2. Now 26,400 into 23 by 20, 23 by 20. When you cancelling here, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Remaining again 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, again 2 6 are 12, completely cancel. Remaining 66 into 23 into 23. When you multiplying, you will getting here 34,914. This is the amount for 2 years. Now we have to find out here for 4 months. Now principal for 4 months is 4 by 12 years. I am taking here 4 by 12 because for 1 year we have total 12 months. Out of 12 months I am taking here 4 months only. Now SI is equal to PTR by 100. 34,914 into 4 into 15 by 100 into 12. This 4 by 12 I am writing here 4 by 12. Now when you cancelling here, you will getting here 34,914 by 20. When you doing the division, you will getting here 1745.70. This is the simple interest. Amount after 2 years and 4 months, 34,914 plus 1,745.70. When you be adding, you will be getting here 36,659.70. Hence, Kamala has to pay the after 2 years 4 months 36,659.70.
70. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, next I am taking here third one question in exercise 8.3.
Okay, dear student, here third question. Let us see here. Fabina borrows 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum, compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? We have to find out here. Let us see solution here. Solution for Fabina, given here 12,500 and rate given 12% per annum and n given 3 years. Okay, now let us see solution here. Now I am finding a simple interest, PTR by 100. P, that is we have 12,500. Next, T, that is the time 3 years, 12% by 100. Okay, 20 get cancelled. Now when you multiply here 125 into 3 into 12, you will get here 4,500. Okay, this is the simple interest. Next, for Radha, given here principal, that is the 12,500 and rate 10% per annum and n 3 years. Now we have to find here P 1 plus R by 100 n minus P. We know P is 12,500. The bracket 1 plus R, that is the 10% by 100 year, that is 3 years, minus P principal, that is the 12,500. Okay, now here 12,500, when you multiply here 100 into 100, you cancel here 10 ones are 10 tens are, remaining 10 into 1 10 plus 1 11 by 10 go to the power of 3 minus 12,500. Next, here 12,500 we have to multiply here total 3 times. 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 11 by 10 minus, next, minus 12,500. 12,500 into when you multiply here, see here 121 into 11 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 3 3 1. Okay, minus 12,500 by 100 10 into 10 100 100 into 10 1000. Now you take here 12,500 outside. Now 12,500 remaining 1331 by 100 minus 1. Okay, next 12,500 when you multiply here 100,000 into 1000, 1331 minus 1000 by 1000. Next 12,500, when you doing the subtraction you will getting here 331 by 1000. Okay, now here 20 get cancelled. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 25s are 125. Okay, now you multiply here 25 into 331 by 2. Multiply here. 331 into 25. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. 1 16. 2 ones are 2. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 5 5 7 12 8. Okay, we got here 8,275. 8,275 by 2. 8,275. Now 2 fours are 8. Here 0. 2 ones are 2. 0 7. 3 twos are 6. Remaining 1. Here 5. 2 sevens are 14. Remaining 1. You keep your point. You are getting your 10. 2 fives are 10. We got here total 4,137.50. Okay. Now we can write here difference between two interest. Difference between two interest. Here first interest we have 4,500. Okay, 4,500 minus second interest 4,137.50. When you doing the subtraction, you will get in here 362.50. Hence Fabina pays more interest by 362.50. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear student, in today's class I solved exercise 8.3, total 2 questions. Remaining questions I will solve in tomorrow class. Thank you.